Welcome back to the channel, guys. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, probably maybe you are new to this channel or you are not yet a subscriber, you can become one of our subscribers by clicking on that subscribe button, like, share, also make your comments. I would love to watch out for it. Now, let's see what GBP USD would be showing us for this week. Now, before I go ahead and explain what we should be expecting this week, I've actually gotten some complaints that a lot of you would love to join my Patreon channel, but you don't really have much. Right now, I'm actually offering a 40% discount, which is going to only last for 40 days. So under my Patreon channel, right, we'll be putting out high probability trade that you have 70 to 90% chance of winning. I mean, before it is 20, we are charging 20 USD. Right now, we will be charging you 12 USD, which will only last for 2 days. So you tend to get 40% off discounts. The link to the Patreon channel will be in the comment section. So once you subscribe, you can now become one of our subscribers and you will get access to those exclusive contents. Now, these are some of those trades we actually took last week. We can see it Swiss franc, JPY, WTI crude oil. You can see it July 12th, WTI crude oil, July 13th. All actually hit our profits back to back. All actually hit our profit back to back. So this week we will be putting out more trade. Like I said, there's 40% discount, which will only last for 2 days. The link to the Patreon channel will be in the comment section. Now, see this trade. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. We clearly can see that GBP USD is literally on an uptrend move. It is a bullish move. Now, if you are to take a look at this, you can see that there was an higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, right? Then when price got to this place, we now add this impulse higher highs. So with what I am seeing right now, price wants to give us an higher lows. Thereby, we are very much likely to get a drop. After that drop, then we would continue with the impulse move upward. Now, where we are going to be having that drop to, I'm going to give you guys an update on it. That is to my Patreon subscriber. If you are one of my Patreon subscriber, you'll get that update. So we will be getting a drop first before we go bullish. But first of all, before you actually go ahead and sell, I don't want you to go ahead and jump in. Price is preparing for a sell, but you need to get that set up. I mean, take a look at this for 1 hour time frame. You can see that price is literally ranging. So if price eventually breaks out of this range, right? You all know what you should expect: a correction to come to test the support level. We all know that this is the support level right below. If price can eventually break the support level, then we can now wait for a correction to test the support level. Then we will continue the movement to the downside, right? If not, we are very much likely to see this GBP USD continue the impulse move to the upside. That is why I'm saying you need to get a setup. You also need a confirmation. Do not just go ahead and sell because I say we are going to sell. No, you need to get that set up before you go ahead and sell. So basically, I'm going to be sharing more details on this trade on the Patreon channel. So if you are interested in trading GBP USD, then you can sign up to our Patreon channel. You'll get access to those trade setup and every other thing you need. So there's a 40% discount that would only be lasting for you for 2 days.